Touch me with your white glove, cover me in gold dust. The best bang since the big one.
So there's a couple spaces on here where she kind of broke through the plastic case for it, but that's okay.
Get what I want, wear what I want. It's fashion after all. It's fashion after all. Fashion after all. It's fashion after all. Fashion after all. Give me a second to think. Get me something cold to drink.
So I originally wasn't planning on doing this, just because these vinyls are really rare. There's only going to be one pressing, and they've only made about 500, 600 or so of these, but I think I'm going to spin it just one time. And we're going to be spinning side one, because that is time is up. Also, I just want to throw in a disclaimer real quick that I do not know what I'm doing when it comes to vinyl records or anything like that. I honestly had to look up a tutorial on how to play one because I wasn't sure, and I'm sure that I probably did something wrong, so just don't come for me because I know, okay? I know.
Wear what I want, talk how I want, walk how I want, get what I want, wear what I want. It's fashion after all. It's fashion after all. Baby, your time is up. 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 Time is up.
What the heck, we'll do side two as well.